College is tough. You know what else is a pain in the ass? Breaking abalone shells into tiny pieces without launching them across the room. In case you didn't know, my name is Elizabeth. I make and sell custom and one-of-a-kind jewelry on my website, calicounicorn.com. I'm making this ring for a customer who is in college and she wanted something special in her favorite color to help brighten her scholarly existence, as she put it. Some people crack under pressure. I crack shells for a living. Pretty much the same thing, right? I love abalone shells. They're one of my favorite materials that I reach for. College is about survival. You need vats of coffee, hot Cheetos, and apparently a ring infused with good energy. Not only are they gorgeous, abalone shells are believed to bring guidance and calm emotions, which makes them the perfect fit for this ring. And this is the fun part. I place each piece like a puzzle or like a mosaic. I like to put a black background on these rings because it makes the colors of the shells and the iridescence pop quite a bit more. And as you can see, the black sort of frames each of these pieces. I have to admit, I do love her color choice of purple here. It's very shimmery and opally and gives very calming vibes to me. Of course, I can't guarantee it'll help her ace her finals or even that it possesses magical energy, but at the very least, it came out beautiful. She was happy, and hopefully when it comes to finals and deadlines, it will remind her to take a deep breath and just relax.